Hi guys, I will show you 2 glitches you can do in Sprunki RP. Follow where I go. Alright, if you have admin commands, then this is how you can get free morph that costs Robux. Use thin, and then do this. Now use these 2 commands. Now that you're tiny, you can now do this correctly. And boom, you're a Robux morph. Alright, on to the second glitch. You will need mustard sky. Okay, now follow where I go, and it will make you lose connection. Right now, stand in between these 2 things and it will kick you. I hope this helped. Bye!